BOM 왔어요. BOM 왔어요. What does this phrase mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is BOM, because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we are going to study about the word BOM. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 189. BOM. BOM. This is pronounced as one syllable word. Pronounce it with me. BOM. BOM. The word BOM actually pertains to the spring season in Korea. Again, BOM means spring. How do we write BOM in Hangul? First, we need to draw a BOM character followed by an O character followed by a MIOM character. And then we just have to combine this to form the Hangul of the word BOM. Now let's try to look into this example phrase. It says, spring came. Again, the spring season came. The Korean translation of this is BOM 왔어요. Again, BOM 왔어요. The first part of the phrase is BOM, which is our word for today, and we already know that it pertains to spring or the spring season. Second part of the sentence is 왔어요, and we already know that it means came. So when these two are combined, it would result to a sentence that means spring came, which means spring has already come. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the phrase or the sentence BOM 왔어요 is simply spring came. And with that, you've just learned BOM. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 179 to 188. But don't forget our word for today, word number 189, BOM, which is the Korean noun for spring or the spring season. The first word for our review is word number 188, taepong. It is the Korean noun for typhoon. Word number 187 is 왔어요, and this is the past tense form of the verb come, which is came. Word number 186 is 피곤해. This is an adjective which means tired. Word number 185 is 저거, which means that. Word number 184 is 이거, which means this. Word number 183 is 영어, which means English language. Word number 182 is 한국어, which pertains to the Korean language itself. Word number 181 is 여러분, which means everyone. Word number 180 is pizza. This is a loan word which means pizza. And the last word for our review, word number 179 is 싫어, which means I hate it. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.